Hello guys, your DIY assistant. In today's video edition here, I went to rescue a Honda Cbr 1990 model. This Honda has witnessed the ugly rain and the terrible sunshine. It has been abandoned here for more than 9 years. When I got here, the chains are all rusted. The throttle couldn't even move. The neck couldn't move to unlock the neck that was locked by the man. You can see how the seat was really heated up by sun. The paint was really faded. And you go down here, you can see how terrible, how rusty the chain really is. So, but I'm impressed. Honda could do such a miraculous bike, that stayed for that long. They only had a minor crash with it before he decided to pack it up. So today, some guy brought the bike into the chat room and said he wanna scrap it. And I asked him, I got interested instantly. And when I see, after examining a lot of pictures, I couldn't wait. I have some few bucks which I want to spend, so I said, why not let me restore this back? So in this restore, this get it back, I don't know if it's going to stop, but I'm gonna be covering that in my next episode on how to start it. It has been lying here more than 9 years, guys. You can see it. So I don't know. I really don't know what I'm gonna see, what I'm gonna get. Even some bed has started laying some eggs and on the back. So I'm gonna be removing a lot of things, entering some part to some little bit, but I only opened the engine oil compartment and see how clean that is. So I was betting my eyes on it that the engine didn't get ruined, because if the engine is ruined, then my stake is in vain. So guys, I have been a very good fan of Honda, and this is the opportunity for me to have one of the old great Cbr 600F that was used previously for motor race GP. That's my boy right there. I hope you guys will enjoy this. Thank you. Leave your comments in the comment section.